Rolex Daytona Leopard is one of the funkiest watches that Rolex has ever produced. Today we are hands-on with this piece and we'd like to know, do you love it or do you hate it? The dial has factory set 8 diamonds, with Arabic numerals at 3, 6, and 9. The bezel is very unique. It's loud, it's bright, it's flashy, it's orange. This orange feature is very rare for watches. It has 36 Cognac Sapphires spanning throughout the bezel. It has a 40mm yellow gold case that is very similar to the other Rolex Daytonas. It is crafted in solid 18-karat yellow gold, but the main unique thing about it is the diamonds. All of these factory set diamonds are very unique to this leopard print model. It has 48 flawless diamonds set into the case. Now the strap is also very rare. Most Rolex Daytonas, even yellow gold models, white gold, all the different variations, when they come to a strap, it's typically a simple black plain strap. But this watch stays true to its calling. It stays true to its model name, and it has a leopard print strap, something that's very funky and works well for some people, some others maybe not. It is powered by the caliber 4130. This powerhouse of a movement should last for generations to come. This type of Rolex movement is almost as flawless as this beautiful design. My personal thoughts, it's a loud watch, it's eccentric, it's for the type of person that would like to really make a lasting impression. I see this on a watch, for example, for musicians. On a musician like the lead singer of Aerosmith, Elton John. They both have had this watch on occasion, and those are the perfect type of personalities for it. Loud and bright and colorful with wardrobes to match. I myself wear a lot of black, yellow, and blues. Not as eccentric or stylish as this watch commands. All that said though, I think Rolex really went far with this. They really went adventurous, and for that, it deserves praise. And there are going to be some people that will love this look and will wear this as a beautiful daily or for special occasions. It's a beauty. It's a true beauty. What do you think of the Rolex Daytona Leopard, this SACO edition? Do you love it or do you hate it? If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, anything. We love it all. We greatly appreciate anything. If there's something else you'd like to see, please let us know in the comments. Also, please check out watchstocks.com. New watches arrive daily. Many nice new pieces like this very crazy Leopard Daytona. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon.